design enthusiasts. Welcome to Home's Inspiration Studios, where we dive deep into the world of home decor. Today, we're talking about the art of spa-like bathroom and expert tips to create aesthetics bathroom space with serene and relaxing atmosphere. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Are you dreaming of a bathroom that feels like a personal oasis? Creating a spa-like bathroom is not only about aesthetics, it's about transforming your daily routine into a rejuvenating experience. Imagine stepping into a space that instantly calms your mind and body. With the right design elements and attention to detail, you can turn your ordinary bathroom into a luxurious spa sanctuary. Spa bathroom decor is a design style that aims to create a serene and relaxing atmosphere. It's about incorporating elements that evoke tranquility, comfort, and indulgence. Think soft lighting, natural materials, and soothing colors. A spa bathroom is a place where you can unwind, de-stress, and recharge. Here are some of the benefits of choosing spa bathroom decor style. First, enhanced relaxation. A spa-like bathroom can significantly reduce stress and promote relaxation. Second, improved mood. The calming atmosphere can uplift your mood and make you feel more positive. Third, increased home value. A beautifully designed spa bathroom can add value to your home. Fourth, personalized sanctuary. You can create a space that reflects your personal style and preferences. How to decorate a bathroom to look good is like a spa. Here are the steps. First, color palette. Opt for soft, neutral tones like white, beige, gray, or light blue. These colors create a calming and serene ambience. Second, natural materials. Incorporate natural elements like wood, stone, and plants. These materials add warmth and texture to the space. Third, lighting. Use soft, diffused lighting to create a soothing atmosphere. Avoid harsh overhead lighting. Fourth, minimalist design. Keep the design clutter-free to maintain a sense of tranquility. Fifth, luxury touches. Add luxurious elements like plush towels, high-quality fixtures, and scented candles. And to complete the look and function of the bathroom, here are the best items that's suitable for spa bathroom decor. 1. Freestanding tub. A freestanding tub is a centerpiece that adds a touch of elegance and luxury. 2. Rainfall showerhead. A rainfall showerhead provides a spa-like experience. 3. Natural stone tile. Stone tile adds a natural and luxurious feel to the bathroom. 4. Plants. Incorporate plants like orchids, ferns, or bamboo to bring nature indoors. 5. Soft bathrobes and towels. Invest in high-quality bathrobes and towels for added comfort. 6. Scented candles. Create a relaxing atmosphere with scented candles. 7. Bath salts and bubbles. Pamper yourself with luxurious bath products. 8. Mirrors with decorative frames. Add a touch of elegance with mirrors featuring decorative frames. And to enhance your inspiration, here are the collection of the top 10 best spa bathroom decor ideas. 1. Create a Zen garden. Imagine a serene oasis within your bathroom. Incorporate natural elements like pebbles, stones, and small plants to recreate a miniature Zen garden. Choose calming colors and add a small fountain or waterfall to enhance the serene atmosphere. 2. Install a steam shower. Elevate your relaxation experience with a steam shower. Enjoy the benefits of improved circulation, reduced stress, and open pores. Customize your experience with aromatherapy and lighting options. 3. Add a heated floor. Indulge in the luxury of a heated floor. Enjoy the warmth and comfort it provides, especially during colder months. It can enhance relaxation and create a luxurious atmosphere. 4. Hang a hammock or swing. Create a cozy nook within your bathroom. A hammock or swing can provide a comfortable and relaxing spot to unwind. Add a touch of whimsy and enjoy the scenery if your bathroom has a window. 5. Install a freestanding tub with a view. Experience ultimate indulgence with a freestanding tub that offers a breathtaking view. Soak in the tub while admiring the scenery and creating a luxurious atmosphere. 6. Use marble or granite countertops. Add a touch of luxury and sophistication to your bathroom with marble or granite countertops. These materials can enhance the spa-like atmosphere and create a stunning focal point. 7. Create a spa-inspired vanity area. Organize your essentials and add decorative accents to personalize your vanity area. Choose calming colors to create a relaxing atmosphere. 8. Install a rain shower with multiple jets. Customize your shower experience with a rain shower that offers multiple jets. Enjoy the gentle, cascading water and create a luxurious atmosphere. 9. Add a jacuzzi or hot tub. Indulge in ultimate relaxation with a jacuzzi or hot tub. Enjoy the warm water, improve circulation, and create a social gathering space. 10. Use soft, plush rugs. Add warmth, comfort, and a touch of elegance to your bathroom with soft, plush rugs. Choose a color or pattern that complements your overall design. Transforming your bathroom into a spa-like oasis is a rewarding project that can enhance your daily life. By incorporating the right elements and creating a serene atmosphere, you can create a sanctuary where you can truly relax and rejuvenate. Remember, the goal is to create a space that reflects your personal style and promotes well-being. After this, we will provide you a gallery of best spa bathroom decor ideas for your inspiration. Thanks for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.